there's 86 million single-family homes in the US. Half of them are over 40 years old. And how they were built, it hasn't changed in 100 years.
Aero is our attempt at really revolutionizing the way we think about replacing the housing stock in the US.
We're home builders, right? When push comes to shove, we're building homes, and we're doing it in a different way.
So as we started Aero Homes, we wanted to understand what customers really wanted, what was missing in the market today. And we understood pretty quickly that one of those things was just quality. What we're trying to solve is how do we build quality homes faster and more efficiently?
So from a product perspective, there's a few things that differentiate us. One is that we've worked with a world-class architect, Olson Kundig. These are the folks behind the Space Needle in Seattle, the Century Project, Nike's LeBron James Innovation Headquarters. And so being able to bring that class of design and architecture to a single-family home that the everyday person can experience is I think that the first thing that really sets Aero apart. The second thing is the way we build.
So we use off-site manufacturing as a key principle so that we can parallelize as much of the processes as we can. The other thing we do is we use the same design with slight modifications, which allows for efficiency. The third thing we do is we own the process end to end, which gives us control, continuous improvement control, cost control, economies of scale in purchasing, and also project management and schedule control.
So from the time that we've identified a property to the time which we're looking to have completely rebuilt a home on that lot is 90 days. That speed is unparalleled in this industry.
We do model all of our architectural and structural systems, and the 3D modeling process effectively allows us to be incredibly precise with our designs.
Every single hole that is drilled on this house is predetermined. Every single wire length is predetermined. Every single stud is predetermined. So you know exactly how much material you'll need for the home, and you know exactly where it goes. So we build to a 1/16 standard,
which is roughly 4 times higher quality than anything you'd ever get with site construction.
We set out to build a home that was carbon negative in terms of operationally, and we did that. And in fact, our homes get to net zero in between 10 and 15 years. And what it proves is it's not that hard to build beautiful design, effective design, and make it good for the environment.
All modular manufacturing means is that you built it in sections in the plant. This is a 2-story, 3,000 square foot, beautiful home.
The coolest part about our home is when you go visit it, it's not one of those like, oh, I can see all the little stacks. Everything's laced in out in the field, all the siding gets tied together, all the roofs, everything. The time and effort that we put into designing it really shows.
I think one of the things that really makes Aero unique is our focus on continuous improvement. We do retrospectives at the end of every day about what worked, what didn't work, what can we do differently, and about how we can make today better than yesterday.
It's easy to look at how much work we still have to do, but when we look back and we see how far we've come, it's pretty amazing. And that gives us confidence about where we're going.
To give more people access to a home that they don't have to settle for. Net zero, designed by an amazing architect, something that normally people are priced out of. We don't feel like that should be the case. And over the next 7 or so years, we want to be in 10 markets across the country, building over 1,000 homes a year.